Meaning of gesticulate.
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 Gesticulate. Gesticulate means to use exaggerated movements of the hands or body to communicate or emphasize a point. When someone gesticulates, they often supplement their speech with visible gestures, such as waving their arms or pointing their fingers. This can be an effective way to convey meaning, as it can add emphasis and nuance to spoken words. However, overuse of gesticulation can also be distracting or even comical. Ultimately, gesticulation is a tool that can be used to enhance communication, but it should be used judiciously and in conjunction with verbal language.